Hello and welcome to Capybara TV. Thank you for watching. So, in my channel, in my channel, um, why am my tongue stuck today? I don't know. Sorry, let's start again. Hello and welcome to Capybara TV. Thank you for watching. So, in my channel, I try to cover some technologies, some news, some variety, a little entertainment, but I know my channel is not so good, and I know I am a very limited in my abilities, and I am trying to study. I'm trying to become a software engineer, and I am overwhelmed with the information I must remember. My memory is not so good, and so I rely on my faith in God, and I rely on my friends and family to give me support, and I am always trying to give it back to the people, all the blessings I have. And today I received a blessing from a very dear friend, and a guy that watches me since day one in YouTube. I asked him some tips and tricks to make an YouTube video, and he helped me since day one, and today he helped me again. So I was navigating through YouTube, just watching entertainment stuff. I finished my studies today. Today I followed a tutorial, 15 lessons tutorial, very long, and I was able to do it this skeleton of paintbrush. So you have a pen. The first stroke comes from 00. I was not able to correct this on the code, but everything else works fine. It's a paint program, and you can draw a circle, and the circle is kind of weird because the last coordinate you clicked becomes the first. So now this is the last, and it's the first to the last. Now the last is here. Watch if I try to do here. Now you see the first was here and the last was there. It was supposed to follow my mouse, but it's not happening, and it go back to 0. So the code is not okay yet, but I'm working on it, and I'm going to show it on my channel. But this is not the reason why I'm here. The reason is, after my studies, I was searching through my YouTube, and I got an email, and on that email, my friend, he told me, "Look, I made a video for you." And oh, really? Thank you very much. So what's the video about? It's about fixing a PlayStation. Now, I know there is a lot of videos on YouTube about fixing PlayStations, like the Odd Tinkering. This is one of my favorites channels about restorations, and he has a lot of old video games restored. He's very good on what he does, and this is his YouTube channel, Odd Tinkering. And why am I not subscribed? Now I am. Oh, and touch the bell also, and you touch all of them. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Odd Tinkering. Odd Tinkering. What about other channels?
In
Like
this video, we're going to be working on a
this
PlayStation
is
5
the
that came in
North
for
Ridge
no
fix,
signal HDMI connector replacement. I already see that the
and
customer did work on that connector.
he fixes
He
a lot
probably
of
replaced that connector. I can tell by the discoloration, and I can tell there's a lot of things going on with the soldering of the
devices
connector
like
and
video
also the
cards
back.
and
I do not know why people do
iPhones
this.
and
The guy
notebooks,
owns this console. A lot of people still cannot buy this console.
and he has a lot of good tips for you, and his channel is way better than mine, but he is a very busy man and not an entertainment. He is a teacher, not an entertainer. So this is his channel, North Ridge Fix. You be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And we have also
Hello,
like
welcome to Noel's Retro Lab.
no
Today we're going to be
Retrolab.
looking at another Commodore 64
He is
repair,
an
or
electrical
at least
engineer.
I think we're going to have
Wait
to
a
repair
minute.
it.
This is
I
not a
bought this
PlayStation.
used, untested on a whim.
Noel's Retrolab. He is a very good at restoring old pieces of technology, very old, like museum quality technology, but it's very interesting, and he's a very good teacher. I learned a lot watching his channels. Also Yambita, Adrian's Digital Basement, and The Cave. This is used to be another channel. He changed his name. So don't forget to subscribe to Noel's Retro Lab, and if you have monies, please be a member of his channel also. Thank you. God bless you. And there are also some like amateurs like me,
this PlayStation 1
so
for £10.
small channels, but very quality ones.
Exactly detail what was wrong with it. We're going to try
And
and identify the fault,
Joy
fix
does
it,
tech.
and get it back up and running.
He
And yes, I am extremely excited for this video.
he was able
Let's
to
do it.
fix his video game,
Good
and
morning,
it's
good
a very good
afternoon, and
video.
Good evening, YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Joey Does Tech.
And how about this totally unknown, the wooden know? He has very few subscribers, but he's trying his best, and it's little guys like me, like him, that we try to be very honest with our content. What you see is what you get. Sometimes we are not successful in fixing stuff, but you can also learn from other people's mistakes, not just the successes. So give it a try. How about that? And now let's try my friend's video. What happened to his PlayStation and how did he do it?
So I have this PlayStation 1 here, and it has an interesting problem. Let's turn it on. See, it's on, but I'm not getting any video signal from it. Now check it out what happens if I heat these three capacitors at 350 degrees Celsius. I get an image signal. Now I'm gonna do the opposite. I'm gonna cool them down.
Using rubbing alcohol.
Put in a little alcohol. Now I'm gonna cool it down this fan.
The image is getting
Let's
darker.
see what's going to happen. And no image once again. Now I just have to replace those 3 capacitors with these 3 equivalents, and the video game will work again. That's it.
Thank you very much, my friend. God bless you. As you can see, let's try to search the schematic for a PlayStation. Whoops. PlayStation. Let's see what we get. Wow. This is the 3. No, I want the 1. Maybe this is the 1. So reset, connector, transformer. This is the power supply. No, not this one. This is the PlayStation 2. DualShocks, PlayStation, arcade, Sony service manual, power block. Let's see. First page, second page. There's only 2 pages. What else? Wait. No. Well, I'll try the code. What's the code again? SCPH 1002. SCPH 1002. PlayStation 2, no. No. There's gotta be somewhere. Service PDF. Schematic. Manual service. PlayStation 4, no. There's very few information online. What about this one? Introduction. The fuses and diodes. Oh, there's something here. Fuses and diodes. Let's see. Regulator. Okay. Test points. GPU. Oh, it ended. Memory, oscillator. Yeah, well, I was going to say it's a okay. I don't know. I'm not sure. But if I were to guess, if I may have a guess, those three capacitors may be the red, green and blue. What the fuck is this? Free account. Oh, fuck you. Free account. The fuck is this? It's fake. It's fake. Okay. Okay. Wow, this is all fake. Everything here is fake. Manual. Oh, there's something here. Wait. Block diagram. Block diagram. RGB encoder. Do you see? Red, green and blue encoder. It probably those three capacitors is giving a headache here. Oh, but this is the newer model, the Slim. So this is the back connector and this is the three capacitors right here. Okay. This is hard to read. But yeah, I am pretty confident on my guess. It's the three capacitors for the red, green and blue. And what happened when those capacitors go bad? What happened is they become very, very resistive. The resistance in ohms goes higher. And then it's almost stops the signal from going to the cable out. To the point the television doesn't even know there's a cable connected there. And that's all I have for today. I hope you liked my video, and I'm going to begin my first Ionic app next week, so maybe I record a video about it. It may be interesting for you if you want to enter the world of mobile apps. I'm trying to launch a platform I want to make one welcome page where it's free, and inside my welcome page will be all of my softwares, and most of them will be free to use. I will accept donations and thank yous, and some of my for the future I'm planning on a few commercially apps for specialized professionals. I'm going to tell you more about it next year, not right now because it's only an idea. I'm still learning. There is a lot to learn: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular. Where is the Angular? My internet is crazily is slow today. That's it. That's what I have for today. And if you can, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Capybara TV, and leave a like and a comment. So thank you for watching. God bless you.